Look, SAP ECC support is ending in 2027, which means thousands of enterprises are racing to migrate to S/4HANA right now. But here's the thing. Most of them are overlooking one massive detail: performance testing. We all know an hour of SAP downtime can easily cost north of $400,000. But the real nightmare? It's not just a system crash. It's finding a performance bottleneck after you've gone live, when fixing it is 10 times more expensive and your users are already frustrated. The reality is that S/4HANA changes the game. Between the HANA in-memory database and the Fiori front end, standard load testing just doesn't cut it anymore. You've got to get deeper into the database layer. You need real-world data volumes, and this is key. You need to test batch jobs and Fiori scenarios together, not in silos. Performance testing shouldn't be a last-minute sprint. It has to be part of your actual pipeline. That's where Kairos comes in. It's a no-code platform that lets your team build and run performance tests across web, mobile, and API, minus all the heavy scripting that usually makes these tools so slow and a total budget killer. We actually just put together a complete guide on this. It covers everything from HANA best practices to building a program that actually holds up under pressure. The link is right there in the caption. And if you want to see how Kairos handles your specific setup, just head over to kairos.com and book a demo.